Haha. Okay. Someone left this backpack here. There's something inside. What? It became black. What happened? Wait a minute. I'll go wash my hands. What is this? So gross. I wonder whose backpack is this? Oh, it's Pikachu! I wonder if there's something inside. Girls! What is this? It became black. There is something inside. Huh? Oh, this hand became black too. What is it? I can't take it off. I have to tell Cole to not touch the backpack. Cole, no! Go, I'll take it off for you. Ow! Ow, it hurts. Sorry for the wait. With the octopus, the nemi, and cobra, I made takoyaki! Wow! Ooh. Now enjoy your meal!
Yay! Takoyaki! Itadakimasu!
So delicious! So yummy!
My dumplings haven't come yet. Dumplings, dumplings, oh dumplings, dumplings, dumplings. Out of stock! May I help you? Follow me. Here. Thank you very much. Do you know what you want? How about ramen noodles? I want ramen and dumplings. Sure. I'm gonna make ramen. Oh, I'm hungry. Oh, right. Okay. I finished. Ramen is ready. Food is ready. This is your ramen. Go ahead. Wow, looks delicious.
Itadakimasu!
Yummy. My dumplings haven't come yet. Dumplings, 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 dumplings. Oh, dumplings, dumplings, the dumplings. Well, freeze. Let me see. Dumplings. Oh, dumplings. Where? The dumplings are out of stock. Whew, it was really good.
ごちそうさま。
My order hasn't come yet. Excuse me, my dumplings haven't come yet. Oh, the dumplings. Yeah, sure. Well, I'm making it right now. I am making the dumplings. The dumplings. Dumplings. Here it is. What's wrong? Nothing happening. Please don't look at me. Everything is okay. It's perfect. Well, this is strange restaurant. It tastes good though. I am making dumplings. Here is your dumplings. Wow, finally looks delicious.
いただきます。
It's so juicy. Yes. What a relief. I'm so tired.
ごちそうさまでした。
Sure. Ramen cost 600 yen. Dumplings 400 yen. Total is 1,000 yen. Here you go. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming. Thank you very much. Thanks. Thank you very much. Give me some. No. Please. I'm gonna have to change this chocolate. Koya? What? What's happening? It hurts. It hurts. No, it hurts. It hurts. Are you okay? No, it hurts. It hurts. Oh, I can't help. Oh, my ear.
もうこれはダメだ。
Oh, it hurts. Please, please come here. What? What? It hurts. Wait, it hurts. Wait. Wait, oh, it hurts. No, it hurts. What should I do? Oh, I have. It hurts. It hurts. Ah, didn't work. Okay, I'm gonna use this. It hurts. There is something that I can help him. I came up with a great idea. What? It hurts! It hurts! This is working. Well done. I think it's gonna work. I took it. What a relief! Be careful. Take care. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you for calling a doctor. Which one you want? Red one. Then here you go. Thanks. Nemi and me. That shark! The shark is gonna eat the frog! Oh! Koya! Koya, wake up! I'll be right there. Wakey, wakey. All right. morning. Good morning. Go ahead. Again. Hey, Mom. I want to eat something different. What are you talking about? Eat up, eat up. I want to eat different things. Let me see. There it is. I'm gonna get fish for breakfast. I can do it. Oh. Can I get it? Oh no. Oh, can I get it? How can I? It's a frog. I can't get anything. I can't. That's shark. The shark is gonna eat the frog. Oh! Oh my! Is there? Well, is there anything else I can do? I'm going to help! Go! Hurry up! Hurry up! Hey! I saved her!